Hello viewers, Namaste and welcome back to our channel. Today we are back again with a new detailing session. Today I will review and show you the application process of a particular product, that is Turtle Wax and Dry. Lot of viewers have asked me to review this particular product and show the application process of this particular product. So I will make a detailed video about this product. So before that, we'll wash the car. The car have not been washed for the last 2.5 months. It's raining every day. In fact, I tried to make a session few days back, but I couldn't do this. So I will wash the car and then apply this. Now this product gives a very good shine and very good effect and sleekness, but only downside of this product is that it doesn't last long. If you go for a pressure wash or if you face heavy rain, after 10 and 15 days you need to reapply. So this is a budget friendly product, so don't expect that much effectiveness from this. So let's start the project. हाँ, सीट कवर देखो कैसा हो गया, पूरा फंगस लग गया एक. तो वाई आई टेल यू टू डिटेल, यू कैन वेरी वेल अंडरस्टैंड. इन फैक्ट द लास्ट टाइम I couldn't detail the seats, so you can see all the seats have become like this, and seldom we use the rear seat of our car. So why detailing is very necessary during monsoon period, especially the interior area. This is one example of that. This will be a quick detail process. First we'll dust the car and after that we'll go for a water wash. So let's dust the entire car with the help of Jopasu duster. This is very effective. I have already told you about this product, and if you want to see anything or any review of this product, there are several videos with this particular duster in my channel.
जोपासु छोड़ के जो हम लोग डस्टर हम लोग एकदम अच्छा नहीं था, एकदम बेकार था.
In fact, we went for a cheap quality duster some time back, but that was totally a wastage. In fact, I had to throw it out after a month or so.
एक खरीदने से 2-3 साल चला जाता है ना?
हाँ, उससे ज़्यादा ही. ये 21 में लिया था और पुराना वाला तो अभी है वो कार में. So we have 2 dusters for 2 cars. Now the next step will be to clean the water with the help of pressurized water. I always tell you to invest in a pressure washer, which helps to do this type of job much easier and much effectively. So if there is no problem with water in your society, you can definitely go for a pressure washer. Already you can see how well the water is sheeting away. So why I always advise you to go for a car coating. This is also one reason. Water sheeting away so fast. Go to the other side. That's it. Okay, so we have taken this particular foam shampoo. Now we will add some water. The quantity according to the size of your car. So first we will apply to the wheels. Now we will scrub it with the help of tire detailing brushes. So this will effectively clean all the dust, brake dust that gets gathered on your wheel. So this is very important to maintain and your tire surface, as brake dust are highly corrosive in nature. And not only that, I have told you quite a number of times why detailing your tire walls is necessary. It will protect your tire wall from fading and cracking. and also it will enhance the aesthetic beauty of black tires. Now we'll apply foam to the entire car. We'll wash the entire car. So this will ensure that the car is absolutely clean. So this procedure is important after applying your foam shampoo. Now if it is very dirty, you can go for a pre-wash, but since it was not that dirty, we didn't go for a pre-wash. Only one wash was sufficient in this particular procedure. Now the next step will be to clean the entire car with pressurized water to remove all the traces of soap. So this area has been finished. Now I will show you through this particular car area. You see it has to be applied wet. Now 2 to 3 sprays per panel is more than sufficient. So let's do it. Now I will spread it to the entire car body. The product not only gives you protection, but it also acts as a rinsing aid. So even if you are washing your car and want to wipe or rinse your car fast, you can use this product as a rinsing aid. Give me the other one. Getting a good shine in very humid day is quite difficult, as the car body don't get dry faster. हाँ वो बाद में. It takes a lot of time. हो गया ना? चलो उस साइड.
एक 2 स्प्रे देने से हो जाता है?
हाँ ज़्यादा देने से वो स्पीड फॉर्मेशन हो जाएगा.
क्या कांच में देने से भी कुछ नहीं होता?
हाँ, कांच में भी दे सकते हैं. वही कपड़ा से हो जाएगा.
टाइम का बात है ये, अभी बहुत टाइम लगेगा. 1 घंटा तो लगेगा ही आज. ये छोड़ के फिर होगा टायर, फिर होगा सीट कवर, फिर होगा वो जो ब्लैक पोर्शन जो है पावर, ये कार सेंटर में ऐसा हम वॉश कर देता है, लेकिन हम लोग जो एयर टॉवल है इससे ही कर लेते हैं. बहुत पानी नहीं लगता है.
नहीं, we used around 30 liters of water.
महीना में एक बार तो हो जाता है.
30 लीटर पानी पूरा ये कार वॉश प्रोसेस में खर्च हुआ. सिर्फ द एजेस. So now wipe dry all the alloy wheels and tire side walls so that it becomes easy to apply your tire polish. Now applying tire polish for your tire protection.
जितना हार्ड वर्क कर गए इतना अच्छा रहेगा, ज़्यादा नहीं, ये छोटा ही है.
Actually, it's very very humid, na. So that's the main problem.
नेचर
There is more exhaustion. With the same wax coated cloth, we'll apply on the alloys.
लेकिन कार में
So
चिकन
the
चढ़ने से
alloys
अच्छा
also
लगता
give a fresh, nice look.
है. हम लोग को तो इतना चिकना ही नहीं है.
So you see how nice it's looking at this moment. So like this we'll apply to all the 4 tires. Fungus from this all the seat cover or the leather seats. For this I will use this particular product. This is an extreme detailer, so it will not only clean but also remove all these things. So this is a very good product and I have a detailed dedicated review about this.
1 साल चला जाएगा.
हाँ 1 साल से ज़्यादा ही चलता है. So I will spray this. So you see I have applied this particular microfiber cloth and the entire fungi is gone and it's giving a very good shine. So with this product you can remove this seat fungi when it catches during the monsoon season. So we'll do this particular procedure to all the seats. You can see here also
और सीट में
all seat में हो गया ऐसा. तो चलिए let's do it. The seats have been restored to original condition. All fungi infection whatever it was, it's gone.
हम सोएगा.
Chalo. The same cloth we are applying on the dashboard and all areas because it is already soaked in this particular polish, so additional polish will not be required. So it will give protection and a shine also.
दूसरा टॉवल नहीं था.
AC towels. Now to apply all black areas for further protection. So like this we'll apply to all black areas. So let us show you the finish, how it looks after we have completed our job. As we couldn't take the video yesterday as it has started to rain, the quality of finish is quite good. You see the entire car. At this price, it does a commendable job. We have also taken care of the interiors. No more those fungus and anything is remaining. The tires, so definitely it's worth buying this product. Finally our job has been finished. We have done everything starting from car wash to applying protection to all the plastic parts, interior seat and trims and all the black areas.
कार को गैरेज कर दिया, बारिश आ जाए, चढ़ल वाटर हो जाएगा तो बस.
And you can see there has been a rain, but after that the polish is still intact. So, but the effectiveness is still there even after the rain. So if you are looking for an economical product and you don't want to spend much, you can go for this product, and it's budget friendly. But I have some different mixed opinions, so regarding that I will make some difference or comparison videos in the coming weeks. So then I will give you the final verdict. But you can go for this product. So thank you very
Namaste.
much. Goodbye.
प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करो,
Namaste, and please do
हम लोगों का
subscribe.
सपोर्ट मिलेगा, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब।